Hi, it's Dan Brooks with Xexis Private Wealth. I'd like to speak a little about our tax mitigation and tax planning services. You probably know that my main business is full-service financial planning, and quality planning must include taxes. Most advisors, investment professionals, and even most CPAs do not do strategic tax planning. For example, many CPAs, I would guess about 85%, are trained to look at what happened last year and prepare your tax forms to file. In my estimation, only about 15% of CPAs are trained to do forward-thinking, strategic tax planning to help you mitigate, reduce, and in some cases, even completely eliminate future taxes. For this reason, I have a tax business that complements my financial services practice. Over the years, I found that outside CPAs and tax professionals often lack the training for forward-thinking tax planning, so I decided to hire my own team. By the way, I do not handle outside tax work or do hundreds of tax returns every year. My tax business is strictly for my financial planning clients. If you ask a typical advisor how to reduce taxes during your working years, they'll likely suggest putting more money into a tax-deferred account like a 401k, SEP, or IRA. If you ask them how to reduce future taxes, their go-to strategy is usually just Roth conversions. While this advice can be valid for some, for others it might not align with what they're trying to accomplish. Plus, for individuals who have accumulated millions of dollars, there are between 7 and 12 different tax mitigation, reduction, and elimination strategies that most people are not aware of. Wealthy people have been using these strategies for decades, but the average millionaire often is not made aware of them. And that's where we fit in. Most people don't consider themselves that wealthy. However, if you have over $750,000 in your retirement accounts, 401ks, IRAs, etc., or any account which you haven't paid taxes yet, tax planning starts to become critical. If you get in the $1.5 million or $2 million range, it is absolutely critical. We can give you access to top-level, creative, and perfectly legal opportunities. Of course, I can't give my intellectual property away for free, but I will do this for you. Let my team and I review your last 2 years' tax returns. We'll provide you with a tax what-if analysis, comparing your current tax return to what it could look like using one of the tax strategies that we use for our clients. I'll do this for you at no charge, just to show you the impact creative tax planning can have on your future taxes. This way, you get a chance to test drive what we do before you decide to engage with me and my experts. Click on the button below or call our office to schedule your free tax what-if analysis.